Today we're talking about how to make 5-pound fruit blocks for growing pretty much any kind of mushroom. When you first learn about growing mushrooms, you're hit with all kinds of information about adding this or that to maximize yields, which I would not worry about, period. I've been growing since February 2022, and so far, what I'm about to show you should be the quickest and one of the easiest methods. Pasteurization is the way to go because when you start adding in other things like soy or oat hulls, you immediately have to introduce sterilization, which adds much more time to your bags and increases the number of risk factors for a successful fruit block. First, we start with some hardwood fuel pellets because they are cheap and already sterilized in their creation process. All we need to do is add some hot water and seal the bags, then set them aside to cool. Place your pitcher on a food scale, add some fuel pellets, and mark on the pitcher where 2 pounds would be. Then, after adding in the pellets, refill that same pitcher to the line with your water that was brought to a boil, and then seal with your impulse sealer. You can place them in a tote to cool for 18 to 24 hours, or lay them out individually to drastically speed up the time. Adding a fan helps, and just make sure they aren't touching each other if you can help it.